I'm not sure if I'll ever be able to repay the coffee, the dates, the love, the laughs, or the spots in the gym. But I promise I'll give it my best shot. Forever. It's a big word. But it's how long I love you. So if you'd like, I'd like to start forever now. That's all I got.
I will love you until my very last breath. I promise to continue to love you with every fiber of my being. To share with you all of the compassion and understanding you give to me. To be yours in the truest, most eternal sense of the word. You bring out the best in me. You show me how to give generously, listen thoughtfully, and to fear no one and no thing. You are kind-hearted, you are brave, and you are strong. To be loved by you is to feel fiercely protected, seen, and cared for. You are everything I've ever dreamed of. And since the beginning, you fit into my life so seamlessly.
Alec was my very first best friend. And as I'm so sure you all have learned, he can be your best friend too. Whether it was as simple as one of our brothers chucking my personal copy of Pokemon Ruby, circa 2003, into the wall, and he somehow found it 2 weeks later in the middle of a blind and brought it back to me. I could not be more appreciative. But also, there's never been anyone as dependable, as responsible, and he's always been there. He will fight for you, Izzy, for your entire family.
Just like a princess, my sister adds color and notices beauty wherever she goes. She is deeply kind, with a gentle heart, willing to help anyone or anything. People, the bees, dogs, cats, birds. You get the idea. Truly, she has always needed to find a man that could handle being the prince to her princess. A noble protector, a man that sees her gentle spirit and honors her. Someone that is willing to drink a vial of love potion for the two of them to live happily ever after. And Alec, you are that guy. You're the guy that would gear up to shoot a man on Christmas Eve in order to protect his family. We haven't needed those skills yet either, but we know they're in there. You're also the guy that would go to the ends of the earth to make sure my sister is well cared for. Mainly, lots of snacks, lots of naps, lots of love. Luckily for me, I couldn't ask for a better man to be my sister's princess and emergency contact. To this couple, may you enjoy a lifetime of sunrises and sunsets together. May we all raise our glass for a toast.
we just want to say, what the heck? You've been married a year? And today's your anniversary?
Happy anniversary!
Woo!
Sorry we're a year late, but we finally made it here. What a wonderful day.